Utongoria wa atumia niguo Muthingi wa uteti guku bururi-ini, kuona nio makoragwo itemi-ini ria mbere kugacirithia bururi wa Kenya, na ũũ nĩ kũringana na mutongoria wa bururi dagitari William Ruto, ũrĩa ũcemanitie na atongoria kuma icigo-inĩ ngũrani guku bururi-ini mwena wa Safari Park kaunti-ini ya Nairobi hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria Mutaratara wa G7.
We can accelerate our progress to become an industrialized, high-income economy by radically enhancing the inclusion and participation of women in leadership.
Kuringana na Ruto, hatiri ngaja iriho kuri atongoria atumia riria marekuruhania na uteti wa bururi, amu kiria marabatara ni kwambatiria ngathi yao niguo gutigirira rucio rwa bururi wa Kenya ni rwakinyanira.
There is no doubt as to whether women participate in politics or not, because they do. But now it is time for us to move it a notch higher. That women should not only participate in terms of being voters, they should participate in terms of being candidates and in being elected as leaders.
Kuma riria bururi wa Kenya wegwatire wiyathi, nduri wegwatira munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ta mutumia, no riu kuri na mwihoko wa mweke uyu kuri atongoria atumia thutha wa Ruto na Gachagua gukorwo makiguana.
We must also agree that going forward, if a man is a candidate for president in our party, the woman must be the runner.
O hindi oyo, Ruto ni akomithitie irua ria mwana wa kairetu hamwe na kuhikithio kia hinya kuri ciana ici kuona miturire yao ithia na mbere gucoka thi.
FGM destroys women and makes them less confident, less effective, and creates many challenges around it.
Mwenene wa Minister Aisha Jumwa, Governor Anne Waiguru, Wavinya Deti, Kawira Mwangaza hamwe na Charity Ngilu ni morite atongoria atumia guku bururi-ini kwaga gukua ngoro riria maratungatira muingi wa bururi wa Kenya kuona nio kionereria kuri bururi.
I want in a special way to congratulate you, my sisters, for this noble initiative. You are true trailblazers.
I will be dedicating my time to campaign for women potential governors who have been chosen by their respective parties, to work with them, develop strategies for reaching out on the ground to ensure that we actually increase this number.
Kuchaguliwa mama kama gavana sio kitu rahisi. Some of us tried for 10 good years.
Kwa safari ya governor kina mama, because we are here even to encourage those who want to aspire as governors, lazima tufanye kazi.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.